The first few days after a child's birth are a special time and a critical time for moms who are committed to breast milk feeding. With the right support, these days can hold the keys to a longer and productive breast milk feeding journey. Now more moms can have a better beginning to their breast milk feeding relationship with Medela's initiation technology, available in Symphony Plus. It's an excellent partner for moms of preterm and term babies who may be unable to nurse immediately or latch properly. Initiation technology is Medela's research-based pump technology designed to imitate the bursts of suction, stimulation, expression, and short pauses similar to baby's natural nursing pattern. Research has shown that within 14 days, 94% of moms of both preterm and term infants who began with Medela's initiation technology achieved an adequate milk supply, whereas only 53% of moms who began with standard technology achieved adequate milk supply. The first week post-birth is a critical time. Help moms transition from producing colostrum to successful initiation of milk production. With the right tools, the right information, at the right time. Symphony Plus initiation technology, helping more moms achieve significantly higher milk volumes over the first 2 weeks, helping more moms get through it all.